Welcome back everyone, my name is Luke Bow and I'm not gay, I'm just funny. How has everyone been? You've all been good? I've literally sat in my room for a week and a half, getting very drunk lately, which is a very bad routine to get back into. It's weird, the last video I was talking about how exciting it was to finally have everything opening up again, and now I'm against it, kind of, I guess. I don't know, I think that just over the last couple of weeks I've been drinking a lot and not really being that creative and realising what the hold-up was. It's weird, like having this 2 weeks where I've like drank again with people, and it made me kind of reflect on why I hadn't made a YouTube channel yet. And that's because going out and being young and partying, like it literally just took over my life. So I need to give that a lot of rest. Good news everyone, I finally got some foundation that matches my skin tone, so hopefully that'll be a little bit of a new chapter for us today. Yeah, I just slowly started to realise that the makeup that I was doing just appeared to be coming up a little bit too cakey. That's never the impression that we want. I'm sorry, but that is like a really good match, is it not? Although I do always consider the fact that I might need a high oil foundation or something, because sometimes when I do my foundation and everything, it always appears that my foundation like dries before I can do anything else to my face, so I don't know. Okay, this is definitely like a high coverage foundation, but it's just very dry once it's on. Like my face is like practically dry, and when you know, you're looking to do drag makeup, you kind of want a bit of a wet face. I look like a ghost compared to what I usually look like. This is ridiculous. Okay, so let's move on to contour. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this yet, but I'm trying to not fetch it all the way down to my mouth. I have this habit of, or not over contouring, but I'm just going to try and do it very faint with the creams today and then go back in with the powder later. So I feel like at the moment I've been like contouring my face and it's so hard. I'm just trying to go for like a lighter look because I feel as though the makeup that I've been doing is very harsh and not what we expect of a pretty gal. I'm gonna have to go quiet whilst I do my nose, sorry. I'll be right back. Right, now that nightmare's over, I'm trying to go for a little bit more of a subtle vibe today, rather than it being as harsh as it always is. Just because it can sometimes make me look more, manly than what I originally started with. So my camera died for a second there, but during that time all I did was I just went in and deepened up the contour a little bit just with my powder contour bronzer, whatever, and then I just also like powdered everywhere else just to lock everything in place. Nice. Now we're gonna go in on the eyes. I'm gonna go quite dark today. I'm gonna really go like quite black almost in a sense, and just create something fun. So I just quickly put some lashes on and mascara. I've gone for a little bit different still. Like usually I like try and like whiten the under of my eyes, but today we've gone for a little bit of black. Shake it up. Dismantling the pit. No, I'm joking, that's a lie. Right, okay, so I've already done a bit of blush and I've done the highlight and everything like that. So the only thing left to do is a nice lip. That is the makeup, guys, so now it is just time for me to get a look on. So stay tuned and get ready to see a bloke in a wig. Stay tuned.
Till I fuck her like you know. No kissing, no hugging. When I push up on her, let you know. I really just be for the sake of fucking niggas.
How's everyone feeling about these Tomb Raider glasses? Something that isn't a major thing I speak about is the fact that Tomb Raider is the icon of my times. The vibe, pulling the absolute look together. This today was just a nice little fun look, just to keep myself in practice. I saw this trend that was like going around at the moment with the braids and I thought, do you know what, Bo might like that, so let's give it a go. I feel now, as I'm getting on with it, it is becoming more of a second nature every time like I do my makeup. And I'm actually starting to like finished products, so maybe, who knows, when lockdown's over, I might start applying for some gigs or some events, who knows. 2021 is Bo's year, so get into it. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. As always, it's just been a little fun getting into drag situation. This really, more than anything, is just to keep me in practice. I mean, with lockdown and everything, I don't really have anywhere to go or do this sort of stuff. So it's nice just to be able to be creative and make sure that I know what I'm doing if I ever do want to do gigs or anything like that in the future. As always, guys, leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications. I actually don't really know what that's about. Peace!
We dream the same dream, we want the same thing. Oh, we dream the same dream, we want the same thing.